I found the perfect overseas manufacturer for my brand within 10 minutes of using ChatGPT. I didn't need to hire a sourcing specialist, do deep research on Google, or watch dozens of YouTube videos. All that I did was upload all of the details of the product that I need manufactured to ChatGPT and nothing else. Today, you're gonna learn how to find the perfect manufacturer for your brand using ChatGPT. Chapter 1, define exactly what you need. Clarity is the most important part of this process. In order for you to find a manufacturer that can make the exact specific product that you need with the exact price point that you want, the more specific you are in defining your product and what you're looking for, the better the results that you're going to get from this. So for example, for my clothing brand TherapyWear, we have a very intricate product where inside of our product, there's heating elements to heat your neck, back, and shoulders for pain relief, like a heat pad. And there's specific outputs and wattages we need in the product. There's specific fabrics of what it's made of that we need, that our manufacturer would need to be able to source and use. They'd need to be able to make custom boxes for us to make the power banks that supply the power to our hoodie. They need to be able to make custom little inserts that go into the boxes. And all of these little details need to be input into ChatGPT first. So the very first prompt that you want to write is, I'm looking for a manufacturer for my brand that I'm starting or that I'm already running. I'm going to tell you as much as I can about this product so that you understand the product fully and can match me with the perfect manufacturer to make this. Then share your product description in full. For my clothing brand, we literally have a tech pack that we upload into ChatGPT so that it can read through the tech pack and see exactly what the product's made of. But if you don't have that, upload all of your materials. What's the fabrics that you want to be using? What's the size? How many different sizes do you need made? Are you going to be making more products in the future that are similar to it? Basically, every little detail around your company and what you're making, now's the time to put that into the same prompt. And so that you can see that it's okay to write a really long prompt here, because you want to be feeding the system and priming the system to filter for factories that are based on what you're looking for. And the more clear that you are in defining this, the better results you're going to get. Chapter 2, generate manufacturer leads. So based on all of this product description that you've uploaded for what you're looking for, the next step is to write a prompt like this. List 10 manufacturers that specialize in blank. And for our brand, I'd write list 10 manufacturers that specialize in heated clothing and manufacturing heated clothing. Or you could say list 10 manufacturers that would be perfect for us based on all of the specifications I've already uploaded. Now, if you have specific things that you're looking for outside of just the product itself, like you're looking for a specific country, maybe you want made in America, or maybe you don't care at all where it's made, Vietnam, Turkey, the whole world, you should specify this as well. So a good follow-up prompt here would be list all manufacturers overseas in these specific countries, Vietnam, Turkey, Pakistan, China. Or you could say, I'm looking specifically for a manufacturer in America. Also, don't be afraid to refine your prompts based on the quantity that you're making and that you're looking to make. So you might want to say something like, we're a small company looking to make only 50 or 100 units or 200 units. Or that has an MOQ, a minimum order quantity of less than 500 units or something like that, or would be willing to work with us type thing, so that it filters out the smaller, more cool factories that will work with you versus the bigger factories that will literally only work with you if you make like 2,000 units. Also, if it doesn't spit it out for you automatically, ask ChatGPT to give you the links to their website, because it'll give you the direct link to their website and you can look through the website and see if they're a direct fit. If what it gives you and the first 10 manufacturers that it lists for you, or 5 manufacturers it lists for you, aren't manufacturers that you want to work with, or they don't look suited, then refine your prompts. Tell ChatGPT what the reasons are that those manufacturers aren't right for you. And through doing that, it's going to spit out more for you that'll be more aligned with what you're looking for. Now, before we get into chapters 3 and 4 on vetting and reaching out to these manufacturers, Apparel Success is sponsored by my buds over at design.com. Just open up a new tab and go to design.com/apparel success. Type in whatever your sick ideas for design is and hit enter. Thousands of designs are going to come up that you can edit and refine as long as you want for free until it's perfect. I've used this tons of times to make designs within my own businesses. If you're interested, head over to design.com/apparel success and you'll get up to 88% off at checkout. Chapter 3, vetting the manufacturers. And we're using ChatGPT again to do this. Take the names of the manufacturers that it gave you and ask ChatGPT to give you the reviews of those manufacturers. Put in the name of that manufacturer and ask, does this company have experience working specifically with this that I'm looking for? For my brand, TherapyWear, since we were looking for such a specific manufacturer that could manufacture heated clothing in the way that we're looking for, with the price per unit at the cost that we're looking for, with the fabrics that we need made, while they make power banks in-house with all the certifications. Me and ChatGPT basically became homies, and I was just asking it to just vet different manufacturers based on all of these requirements that we have that we're looking for. And it came up with two really good manufacturers, and we're in touch with one. We're getting a sample made right now. You might be wondering at this point, how legit is this? Like, is ChatGPT gonna give me results that are real with real companies that will actually be for my brand and work for me? And the answer here is yes. The free version of ChatGPT uses trained knowledge from basically the entire internet as of 2023. In terms of manufacturers, what it's gonna offer you are manufacturers that have existed from 2023 and before that. But when you think about it, that's all you really want to be working with are experienced manufacturers anyway. You don't want a manufacturer that started in 2024. So for this case, it's absolutely perfect anyways. If you're using the Pro version, it actually uses live web browsing, and you're basically getting up to date information. But there is the odd chance, if you're using the free version, that it's going to give you a manufacturer that existed in 2023 and since then has closed its doors or something like that. So just be aware of that. Chapter 4, manufacturer outreach message. Now, we're obviously not just going to use this for research purposes. Let's use this to also help us write the emails that we're going to send to these manufacturers to potentially get in touch with them. Write a professional inquiry email to this manufacturer for our product that we're looking for, given our specifications. Or I might say something like, write a professional inquiry email to a manufacturer for a patented infrared heated hoodie for chronic pain relief, and relist your product description. Also, ask it to write into it the quantity that you're looking for, the fact that you're probably looking for samples, and any other little details that you need. Here's an example of an email, just so that you can understand what that we used to reach out to a manufacturer that got us a response from one of the manufacturers that we really wanted to work with. My name is blank, and I'm the founder of TherapyWear, a Canadian company focused on therapeutic battery-powered apparel. We've successfully completed our first production run of 150 units, and we're now seeking a long-term manufacturing partner, direct to factory, not through agents. Your company, blank, came highly recommended. We're looking for a partner who can reproduce our product using an existing tech pack, reverse engineer a physical hoodie, we can ship the sample to your team, integrate a rechargeable battery system per unit, blah, blah, blah specifications for heating and power, support an initial 50 unit test run, provide a competitive unit cost, ideally around $25 USD or less, including the battery, or feel free to offer a detailed cost breakdown, offer direct to customer shipping from China, optimal but not required. Could you please confirm the following? Is this type of product within your capabilities? Can you meet our cost targets for a 50 unit test run? What are your lead times and minimums for sampling and production? Can you provide heating elements and battery specifications? Are you able to share all relevant certifications for battery and electronics? And do you support direct DDP dropshipping? Once we confirm alignment, I'll provide the tech pack and ship the physical sample hoodie to your team for BOM analysis. We're ready to move quickly with sampling and production. Thank you for your time. I look forward to hearing from you. After sending out this email, the manufacturer got back to us and answered every single question that we asked it. They seemed like a perfect fit. We jumped on a call and we've sent them a sample to get made. The day of doing all this deep research yourself on Google, I think, are over, and using tools like this to find these manufacturers yourselves are going to help you like crazy, and I hope that this helps. Share any thoughts you have in the comments below. I read every single one of them, and if you want to work closer with me and a community of other brand owners, check out the Apparel Success Mastermind. There's a link in the description below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.